Hello, I'm Ann Vogel, one of the UW Stout librarians. Here's a short video on how to find subject-specific scholarly articles. There are multiple ways to get to a library website now, and there are multiple ways to find a subject-specific database. We'll find one using the research guides, and we are going to start from Learn at UW Stout, since that is where you are. You go to the course homepage. On the right is a box with library resources. To find a research guide, use the Research Guides link. I will use education as my subject area. And then I will use the General Education guide. On the guide, you can search individual journals and magazines. But we will search a database, which will find articles from thousands of journals and magazines. We will start with EBSCO Education. It searches multiple databases in the education field. Type in your keywords. I'll try reading comprehension and teaching methods and elementary education. And search. 4,146 results, way too many. So you can limit on the left. We want scholarly peer-reviewed articles. We also want articles within the last 10 years. And perhaps we want to narrow by subject. And these subject words are very good for future searches. So let's do reading comprehension and also teaching methods. Great, 511 is a little bit more manageable. When you find an article that looks interesting, click the title, and within the record you have an abstract. So you can determine whether the article is useful. If it is, you can email it to yourself. If you want to bookmark it, use the permalink. Copy and paste the link. Or you can open it and download the PDF. The descriptors are also very useful for future searches, and you will notice that most databases have a citation link. But can you tell me what's wrong with this APA citation? Right, capitalization is wrong, because the database will generate whatever the record has in it. So it could be all caps, it could be all lowercase. Everything else looks okay. So it's a start. But no, you always need to check first. One last thing is not all the articles will be in full text. So click the Find It link. In this case, it is in full text in Psych Articles. Otherwise, if it was not in full text, you can click the Fetch It For Me button and request it. And if you have any questions, don't forget to ask a librarian.